Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I went on Pinterest looking for spring wall decor for my indoor patio room, and I came across these beautiful plant hangers in different shapes and unique styles. I would like to create my own, but with some lighting. If you would like to find out how I created my own, just continue watching. I'll start off by using 6 8x10 Plexiglass photo frames. Next, I'll remove everything, including the protective layer. Next, I'll be using my burning tool to remove any parts that I won't be using. If you've never worked with a burning tool, please ask for assistance or look it up by watching any YouTube videos. I will leave a link below. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Don't worry about the rough edges, we'll be covering them later on. Next, I'll be using a ruler and marker, and I'll be marking my frame to a 5x10, and then I'll use my hot tool to cut the remaining part. Next, I'll be using one of the pieces that I had cut previously, and I'll be cutting it to 1x10, and I'll be cutting 2 pieces. Once I was done, I will cut 2 pieces into 1x5. Here is the size chart of all the pieces you will need. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platform for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll take one of the 5x10s and I'll make 4 holes using my hot tool. Next, I'll be applying wire fairy lights, and I'll be applying them using clear tape. I got the tape from Dollar General because they were the only ones who had very clear tape. I will leave the on and off switch hanging out so I may glue it underneath, and I will lift up the wire just a little bit to give it a wave effect. Next, I'll be using this metallic gold rope that I purchased from Walmart, and I'll be cutting 4 pieces into 18 inches, and then I'll be inserting them in the holes and tying the ends into a knot. I'll be using a lighter to seal the ends, but you may also use hot glue or tape. Next, I'll bring back both 1x10 pieces that I cut earlier, and I'll be gluing them on each side using hot glue. Next, I'll be using both 1x5 pieces, and I'll be repeating the same gluing steps. Clean the inside with glass cleaner before continuing. Bring back the bottom piece with the fairy lights and make sure that the on and off switch is hanging out, and repeat the same gluing steps. Glue the on and off battery pack to the bottom corner for easy access with the screws hanging out when it's time to change the batteries. Next, I cut single strips of gold diamond wrap and I'll glue them on the edges to hide any imperfections. Next, I'll be using 3 floor plate rings that I purchased from Home Depot at 99 cents each, and I'll be spray painting 2 metallic gold and leaving 1 silver. For the next plant hanger, here are the sizes you will need, and I also use my hot tool to make 3 holes. The base to the plant hanger is in a half-shaped circle. I repeated the same gluing steps, and I also took 1 strip, cut them into 1-inch chips, and I glued them in the front individually, creating a pattern. For the third plant hanger base, here are the sizes you will need, and I also used silver metallic rope and mirror mosaic stickers, and I repeated the same gluing steps. I also decided to make one in silver just to make it stand out. I decided to go into a pyramid shaped base and also using single strips of mosaic mirror stickers. Next, I'll be using the silver floor plate, and I'll be inserting all 3 ropes through the hole, and then I'll be cutting it to size, holding it in place with hot glue. I also took a piece of the same rope and added hot glue and applied it to the back, and then I wrapped it around 5 times and attach the end with hot glue. I also went back to all 3 plant hangers and added my strongest adhesive glue for extra hold. And here is the finished looks. I really do love the way all three turned out, and they each bring their own unique style. I also added mirror reflected trimming and also mosaic stickers to the floor rings. The artificial casket plants can also be purchased at Dollar Tree, and I purchased 9. I love the decor and lighting that it brings, and this will be a great addition to my indoor patio room. Who would think just by taking some plexiglass photo frames, you will have some beautiful wall decors. This was a fun and easy DIY to make, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Subscribe if you haven't. Like and share with family and friends, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. See you soon.